Hi guys, and welcome here on my YouTube channel. In today's video we're gonna unbox the Summer Essentials gift beaver purchase from SPACENK. This is my first order placed on SPACENK, so I'm a new customer and I am really curious to see what products and what brands we will find inside. What I know about this free gift is that it's called the Summer Essentials gift. It's worth over £480 and is yours for free with a spend of £175 on SPACENK website. The products come in this simple plain black box that is not heavy at all, and to be fair, this scares me a lot. I hope that inside we will not find only samples or deluxe size products. This will be disappointing. The first product is wrapped in this red paper and is from the brand Dr. Dennis Gross Advanced Retinol Plus Ferulic Texture Renewal Serum. A powerful skincare serum designed to help achieve a smoother, younger-looking skin, works to reduce the appearance of blemishes, helps to smooth the look of fine lines. The second product from our free gift is from the brand Chantecaille. Stress Repair Concentrate is an eye serum with a rich creamy texture that leaves eyes looking brighter, lifted and more radiant. Next product is from a brand that I don't know. It's called Oribe Hair Alchemy Fortifying Treatment Serum. Is a strengthening elixir for hair that helps prevent breakage and strengthen hair. Is a fast absorbing serum that works to fortify fragile strands. Here we have a product from Tula Skincare, the cult classic purifying face cleanser. A facial cleanser that works to leave skin balanced, clarified and purified. Refreshing and gel-based, the formula helps to boost skin radiance and prepare skin for additional skincare products. The next product is from Olaplex number 9 Bond Perfector Nourishing Hair Serum. Formulated without the use of silicone, this product is rich in antioxidants to help shield hair from pollution and to neutralize free radicals. It also works to provide better style memory, bounce back curls, and satin shine, suitable for all hair types. Here we have a small product from Caudalie, Vino Perfect Radiance Serum. Is an oil-free serum with brightening botanical extracts. This potent serum works to reduce the appearance of dark spots and promote a brighter, more even complexion. The hydrating smoothing formula is made for 98% ingredients of natural origin. Next, I find a product that I know and I tried in the past is the Renaissance Mask from Oskia London. It's a great face mask, is suitable for all skin types. It stimulates skin regeneration, it brightens skin and removes dull skin cells. Here we have a hair care product from the brand Wave Spray. Is a ultra lightweight mist that adds subtle texture to the hair. The hydrating formula builds weightless shape and definition with long-lasting shape memory while infusing hair with nourishing amino acids and keratin proteins to strengthen and repair. Sarah Chapman London Skinesis Overnight Facial. Delicately scented, this sophisticated serum oil combines a mixture of antioxidants, anti-inflammatory omega oils, vitamins and a skin brightening complex, ideal for all skin types. I had this face serum in the past and I remember that was good, a bit fragrance in my opinion, but overall was a good face serum. And the next product doesn't make me happy at all is a sample from Augustinus Bader, the cream. Is a moisturizing face cream with anti-aging benefits that works to improve the overall look of the complexion. I am not disappointed about the product, I am disappointed about the size of the product. The next product from the box is from Natura Bissé. I never heard about this brand. Diamond Cocoon Sheer Eye. Protect the skin around the eye from the stress of modern life. Rich in vitamins and antioxidants, helps reduce the appearance of wrinkles, dark circles and puffiness. Provides a touch of color that adapts to the skin's tone. This product made me curious, I can't wait to try it. Here we have a small product from a brand that I don't know how to spell it. The product is called Age Proteome Advanced Serum. It's a face serum that works to reduce the visible signs of aging, helping to reinforce the skin's ability to repair itself. The serum works to leave the skin tone looking more even and helps to firm and smooth the complexion. Next I find a product from a great brand, Drunk Elephant, C Tango Multivitamin Eye Cream. This eye cream is enriched with cucumber extract, vitamin C and a blend of 8 peptides. These potent ingredients work together to fortify and enhance the skin, supporting a younger looking complexion. Next is a mini mascara from Hourglass, called Caution Extreme Lash Mascara. An all-in-one mascara that delivers incredible length, volume and lift for lashes that will dazzle. Saturating the lashes from root to tip for an easy and precise way to achieve the most dramatic looks. Smooth and smudge-proof, this mascara features a buildable formula that can be used to create varying degrees of drama. It's vegan-friendly and cruelty-free. As a description, it sounds very good. I will see if the mascara does what it says it will do. Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer is a silicone-free gel formula made with 94% natural ingredients that also works to hydrate the skin. The primer is invisible against the skin and it helps to create a smooth base, grips makeup for up to 12 hours. I know this product, I had it in the past, was good, nothing wow, a good moisturizing face primer. Emma Hardy Protect and Prime with SPF 30. Skin protecting cream with added primer for a focused luminous complexion. I had this cream/primer in the past and was good. The formula is nice, it absorbs quick into the skin, is non-greasy, is a bit shiny but non-greasy. Patchology Flash Patch Illuminating Eye Gel is an eye mask that contains green tea to minimize the look of dark circles, mulberry extract to provide antioxidant benefits, and vitamin C to brighten the skin. Here we have a shampoo from Amica, the Cure Bond Repair Shampoo. It's a shampoo that cleanses, hydrates and nourishes hair, and it's safe to use on color and keratin treated hair. Good to know that. The next product is from a brand that I like a lot. It's from Herborian. Well, this product is not my favorite product from them. It's the Skin Hero Bare Skin Perfector 7 Days Transformation. To be honest, I'm not sure what this product does to the skin. I tried it many times and I didn't get it. Nope, not happy with this product. Sunday Riley Glycolic Acid Serum Treatment. A multitasking treatment serum and mask to improve skin texture and elasticity. It works to resurface the skin and deeply exfoliate for instantly radiant skin. This strong glycolic acid formula will help to unclog pores, reduce sun damage, and slowly work to minimize fine lines and wrinkles. Alpha H Liquid Gold with Glycolic Acid is an exfoliating pill that works with a gentle action to help resurface the skin. I have this product in my current evening skincare routine and I like it a lot. It's gentle with the skin. I use it twice per week. The next day my skin looks brighter, smoother and radiant. Next product from the box is from Sisley. It's a face cream called All Day All Year. It's a powerful moisturizer that helps form a protective shield around the skin to defend it against the aging effects of common environmental aggressors. Next treat is from Verso Super Facial Serum with Retinol 8. It's a face serum that helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, supports the body's production of collagen, encourages cell renewal and rejuvenation. This is a product that I'm curious about. It's from Stella by Stella McCartney. Alter Care Serum is a skincare treatment that works to leave a complexion feeling hydrated and revitalized. It's made 99% using natural origin ingredients and may be used all over the face, including the eye contour area. As I said, it's a face serum that I want to try. Well, I want to try more products from this brand, but I have an issue with the price tag. Another product from the same brand that I don't know how to spell it. This time we have a sunscreen, Bronze Repair. This gentle cream nourishes the skin, offering protection from UVA and UVB rays, while at the same time supporting the skin's natural tanning process. Is this a sunscreen? I am not sure, guys, I need to check that. And finally, I find a full-size product. It's from Paula's Choice, Skin Perfecting, 25% AHA plus 2% BHA exfoliant peel. A potent multi-acid blend to help restore a smoother, more youthful complexion. AHA blend helps reduce the visible signs of aging. BHA's works to decongest the pores. And here are all the products from the Summer Essentials free gift from SPACENK. What do you think about it? In my opinion, it's a nice gift with a purchase, but I am a bit disappointed by the size of the products found inside. I think more than 50% of the products are samples and this is not amazing. I am not judging, it's just an opinion. And this was everything for today. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!